Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, we're gonna be doing a get ready with me, and I'm gonna be telling you guys the reason why I decided to relax my natural hair. So if you're interested in seeing this video, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm getting ready to go get some pictures taken. So I need to do my makeup, and I figured that I said I was gonna do a separate video for why I relax my hair. So I figured I would do a 2-for-1 for you guys. But before I get started with the makeup and explaining why I decided to relax my natural hair, hi guys, my name is Amber. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If this is your first time watching, I do hair videos, and then everything else I like to call a sprinkle, because it's not really like hair lifestyle vlogs. Like I just kind of do whatever floats my boat. So anyways, if you're interested in any of my other videos, definitely check out my channel, check out the videos that I've put out so far, and if you like that content, don't forget to subscribe, like the videos, and leave me some comments. I love interacting with you guys. Okay, so let's get started. Eyebrows are on. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. So a lot of people ask me why, when they find out that I relax my hair, a lot of people ask me why I decided to relax my hair. And I can honestly say the main reason is because it was becoming so time consuming. Like I was natural for what? 3 years, maybe 4 years, and it was just becoming so time consuming. So the longer your hair gets, the more you have to do to it, the more product you have to use, the longer it takes to do, blah, blah, blah. And it was just becoming an entire process to do my hair for me to end up not getting the look that I wanted. So it was becoming super time consuming. Like I would spend hours hours doing my hair. Shampoo, deep condition, detangle while I have deep conditioner in my hair, sit up under a hooded dryer. After I'm sitting up under the hooded dryer for 15 to 20 minutes, I go rinse out. After I rinse out, it's time to style. But I got detangle again because I have type 4 coarse hair. So my hair has what? Tangled up again. Not like as bad as it was when I started, but it had tangled up again. So then I was double detangling, putting in a leave-in, then going through, parting my hair in 4 sections, working those 4 sections into smaller subsections to apply my gel to style or set my curls. Sit up under a hooded dryer. It took freaking forever for my hair to dry. And then for me to get from up under the hooded dryer, and my hair looks good for all of 2 to 3 days. 2 to 3 days. All that effort for 2 to 3 days. And some people are like, oh, why don't you just reset your hair or wet it down again and sit up in the... No, I don't want to have to reset my hair and wet my hair again and sit up under the hooded dryer again every 3 days. I have a full-time job. I don't have time to do all that. When I come home from work, I am tired. I am tired. And I am tired. I'm tired, bro. Like, I don't have time to do all that. So, no, I don't want to reset my hair. And people are like, well, why don't you do twist outs? Twist outs took just as freaking long. So, and if you don't use the right product on the twist out, your hair will frizz and fluff up and look like you've never done anything to it on day 2 or day 3. And if I didn't want to restyle my wash and go, I didn't want to sit there and retwist all of my twists. If I'm going to do that, I might as well shampoo, deep condition again, and do a whole new style if I'm going to sit there at night and retwist my hair. No. So it was becoming super time consuming for my hair to end up not looking the way I wanted it to look. And then once the quarantine hit, what shadow do I want to do in my lids? Once the quarantine hit, I'm gonna do a Zoom. It's a glitter. I'm gonna regret this. I'm gonna regret this. So once the quarantine hit, it was kind of like I needed something to do with my time instead of sitting around eating all day and getting fat. So I started working out. I started going walking in the morning. And then that led to me sweating in my head. That led to my hair looking like I never even touched it that Friday when I turn around and I walk every single morning. I walk 4 miles a day, sometimes 5 miles a day. And I'm sweating in my head. I'm sweating in my body. And it just looks like I hadn't even touched my freaking hair. I hadn't even touched it. Like I didn't wash, like I didn't deep condition, like I didn't style. And I just needed something that was going to last. And then my natural hair wasn't lasting. Also, another reason I decided to wax my hair, reason number 2, is it's so freaking expensive. I was spending upwards of $100 a month, if not more. I'm pretty sure more if I like kept my receipts. $100 or more trying new products, trying this, trying that, hoping to find the holy grail product that will give me definition, take care of some frizz, aid in moisture, aid in longevity, like spending all my money and my coins on that to get what in the end? Nothing. Nothing worked. I didn't find the holy grail anything. All I found was a hole in my pocket. So I was spending more money trying to get all those things. And I feel like no product or every product on the market, none of those products would do anything that they said that they would do. None of them. And that just led me to believe that the whole natural hair, I don't want to say natural hair community, but the whole natural hair, like, I don't want to call it a scam because it's not a scam, but I feel like you have a lot of companies out there creating these products that are just not, they're not hitting. Like, they're not hitting, like, at all. Like, they're not doing what they say that they're supposed to do or they're intended to do. So I got frustrated. I got tired. And I was becoming broke because I was spending so much money trying to figure out what would be the next holy grail product to give me the look that I was going for. And after spending all my money and all my time, nothing was giving me the look. No gel was giving me the definition. I wasn't getting the moisture that I need. And I was doing everything that I knew to do to get my hair to be moisturized. I'm shampooing. I'm deep conditioning. I'm sitting up under the hooded dryer with heat, leaving my conditioner on for 20, 30 minutes with heat. Every week I'm deep conditioning. And then my hair is still feeling dry. I'm still getting single strand knots. Like, it was just becoming so much that I was babying my hair so much. And I wasn't seeing the results that I felt like I should have seen after babying my hair so much. Now, I will say, the reason my hair was so dry all the freaking time, and it was mainly the ends of my hair, is because I decided I wanted to be cute. And I wanted to put some color on my hair. I'm like, oh, that would be cute. Let me color my hair. Don't do it, sis. Resist the urge. Get yourself some hair makeup and resist the urge. If you are natural, resist the urge. Because color just, it messed me up. And I should have known that because, oh crap, this glitter is freaking everywhere. This is why I hate, with a gosh darn passion, I hate glitter eyeshadow. Because I freaking hate it. Like, it literally gets every gosh darn where. I don't know how these girls put glitter on and it not get everywhere. Like, the glitter is all over my freaking eye. That's why I freaking hate glitter shadow with a passion. I'm gonna use that to smoke out my lower lash line later. Yeah, freaking everywhere. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can even see that. Maybe you can. You see all that glitter? All that freaking glitter. All that freaking glitter. I hate glitter, and I knew I was gonna regret it. But it looks so pretty and sparkly. But I freaking hate glitter. Glitter is literally trash. Okay, so wash my hands. I have glitter all over my hands now. So basically, it's like this. I was looking in the mirror and I didn't like what I saw. I was not happy with my hair. I was not happy with how my hair looked. I was not happy with how my hair photographed. I just felt like my hair it lacked shape. It just didn't look right. It just didn't look right. In my opinion, it just didn't look right. And I was not happy with the way my hair was looking. So if you're not happy with the way something is looking and you're not feeling confident and you're not feeling, you know, the best about yourself, change it. As simple as that, change it. So I decided, you know what? I need to go back to something simpler, easier, less stressful. And my natural hair was starting to freaking stress me out. So that's what I did. I relaxed my hair. And no, I do not regret my decision. I'm absolutely happy with my decision to relax my hair. And the beauty, y'all, this the freaking beauty. The beauty about hair is that I can grow out my relaxed hair. In about 3-4 months, if I change my mind, I can be natural again. Like, that's the beauty of hair. I'm gonna finish putting on the rest of my makeup. And then I'm going to come back and show you guys. I'll take my bonnet off because I washed my hair last night and flat ironed it. So I'll come back and show you guys what my hair is looking like underneath. It's looking real flowy and real cute. Okie dokie. I'm all done. Bonnet's off. It's got like this kink in it from being in my bonnet. I'm curling my hair anyway, but my picture, so I'm gonna add like a curl to it. Okay guys, so I know this video was literally here, there, and everywhere, but yeah, I don't know. Anyways, I'm getting ready to, I don't even know what time it is, but I'm getting ready to go curl my hair and go pick up my sissy, and she's gonna ride with me to take my pictures. So I'll probably have her do like some behind the scenes, you know, inception stuff, like record where I'm getting pictures taken. We might do that. That might be cute, you know? That might be cute. Something cute to do. So, I literally need to clean this up before I go. I can't leave stuff messy. It bothers me to no end when things are messy. Y'all, my outfit is so cute. I absolutely love it. It's adorable. And then I'm gonna wear my little bar necklace that has A on it for Emba. If I can get it on with these fingernails. Let's see if I can do it. Boom. It's on. Love it. Okay. Turn these lights off. It's got real dark. Real dark. this jumpsuit. Like the back out. Stripes, super cute. I'm gonna take this hat for an accessory, potentially. All right, and I need to grab shoes. I don't know what freaking shoes I'm gonna wear. I'm running late. Fabulous. These or my Jessicas. I think I'm gonna go with my Jessicas. And I'm not gonna bring a hat. I don't think the hat goes. The hat doesn't go. Just leave the hat out of it. Okay. And I'm officially running late. All right, so I want to head out and I'll see you guys when we get. Okay guys, I am headed to pick up my sissy. She's gonna go with me. This is what my face looks like in daylight, because my room has terrible lighting. So as soon as we pick up my sissy, I'm gonna give her a phone and she can vlog for me. Yay, yeah. All right, see you guys there. Let me know when I need to suck in.
That's me.
Let me know when it's suck in time. We're not taking pictures now, right?
Alright, stay right where you are. Right. Perfect. Listen, look up at me and smile. 1, 2, 3.
That is very nice.
Okay. Her?
You ready?
That's it. Alright. Think I'm ready. 1, 2. Oh, you went quick.
Oh, you want me to go slow? Sorry.
Look, she was ready. Okay. Alright, try it again. Maybe pockets as you're walking, like you're walking.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah, right there, perfect.
Okay guys, let me find some light. So I'm back from my photo shoot. There's a fan blowing in the kitchen, so it's whatever. My pictures turned out really cute. He gave me a little sneak preview. So yeah, I'm about to eat a grilled cheese and turkey sandwich. And I'm gonna end this vlog right here. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.